Hello internet friends. In this video I'm continuing to work on the wings. Finally, actually I went back a couple pages in the plans and it says to trim off one of the flanges of this end rib here. So that's what I did. And I used the bandsaw. The bandsaw works pretty well to do that. My friend Tiffany is over, curious about building airplanes, so let her squeeze a few rivets and what else? Quicos, all the basic stuff when you are building an airplane, because you do the same thing over and over again 12,000 times. Let's see. Oh, and finally installing all the snap bushings into the holes that I drilled. On the right wing, they're all the 1/2 inch snap bushings. So what is it? SB 500-6, I think, is the number. I'm not looking at the plans, so don't quote me on that, but it's something like that. You do need to look at the plans because they go in different orientations onto the ribs. I don't know why they go into different orientations in the ribs. Someone smarter than me can probably figure that out or explain why. Yeah. Okay, so I did miss a couple days of videos, or not of videos, but of building, which is why I didn't post any videos. And one was because I got busy working, and then last night I actually went to go see Hamilton. I ended up buying tickets to the theater, or season tickets, so I have, I don't know, like 4 or 5 more plays to go to. One of them is Annie. I don't think I'm going to go to that one. I might give those tickets away. And I actually missed a couple of plays because I was working, so I gave those away. So yeah. If anyone wants to go to Annie in Vegas on Thanksgiving, I'm not going, and I have 2 tickets, so you're welcome to hit me up and go see Annie. If not, I'll give them away. Don't worry, they'll go to a good home. But anyway, this is the last video for this week, and probably for the next couple weeks, because I have work to go to for a week of meetings. So no videos next week for sure. But again, I'm glad that I was able to make some progress this week, and it's cool in Vegas now, so I can get out to the garage anytime without baking myself to death. The AC is out in my house though, which is annoying. They've been waiting for a part to replace the air conditioner condenser, so luckily I took the swamp cooler and I put it in the back door, and then that's cooling my house. Fortunately, it's not hot in Vegas, so I really only need it for a couple hours during the day. Okay, yeah, so this is where reading the directions is prudent, because on this the end wing rib for the, what is this thing called, torque tube support subassembly, and this is section 14-2. It says put the subassembly together, then rivet it to the wing, and I didn't do that. I riveted it to the rib, and then tried to put the subassembly together, and then realized that that's not going to work. So I had to use the rivet gun instead of the squeezer to get the rivets into this subassembly. Anyway, it worked out. I have various offset rivets. It's not fun because you could screw it up, but I didn't, so yay me. Anyway, if you are also riveting things together, come join our RV Slack group. The link is in the description of this video, and I will see you there and see you in the next video.